Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Our today's video, we are going to unbox a wire stripper and show you how it works.
Yeah.
So watch this video till the end. How this product works
and we've imported this product.
We imported this product from China, and if you want to know how to import,
you can watch our
two videos. We have one detailed video. We shall link them here and also in the description and in the pinned comment. So let's see how this product works.
And we are selling it.
We are also selling.
This is a business.
We are selling this product for 2,500. For more information, we shall provide the link in the description on how you can get this product. So
watch this video till the end. I hope you learn something.
You will learn something for electrical engineers and watu wa Wi-Fi. Mtu wote ana deal na wire. This is your video and this is your product, so it will save you a lot of time. So let's get into the unboxing. Dear friends, we have finished unboxing this product
and see how it works. It really saves time and it makes work easier.
It can strip up to 6 millimeter of wire and rest to 0.6 millimeters squared. So this is a good product. It can save time.
You inbox for your orders. We are here supplying them.
So we think that this is the end of this video.
See you on our next. I hope you've learned something. Bye.